Hello everyone, welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio with Sarah. Today we're doing a fun, kind of girly pink and leopard print pedicure. So I'm starting out here. This is Rose Rush. And I'm working on using up my partials. And so I literally have two of this size of Rose Rush. So we're going to use one on each of my big toes. Let's do it, I think, sideways like that. This is the right call. I usually, I don't know, feng shui my toe just to not use big strips, but get creative, I should say. Let's just smooth it out. So my last pedicure that I did with Peely Base lasted a really long time. And so we're doing it again because I do not like taking my time with remover. Hopefully I'm perforating this okay. This could be a ragged edge, we'll see. I would say, like, I would still, if you want something to really last, I would still not do the Peely Base because I think the edges looked not as neat. I would say it's like it took more abuse, but like they stayed on, and as far as I could see, like I'm not getting my face right down by my feet, and so like as far as I could see, they looked fine. So, oh, that's fun on toes. That is such a bright, fun pink. And then I have just enough left of that strip that I'm gonna do just to tie the pink back in to the rest of the Pedi. Stuck that down a little closer to the cuticle. I'm assuming it's still called a cuticle on your toes. But because I have that Peely base, I don't want to have to, if I peel it up, then I have to put down all that base again. So we're not going to worry about it. And honestly, I want to do my toes more often. So if these don't hold up, that's fine by me. Okay, and then for the leopard, I have leopard coat. These are all partials I'm using. And I debated, so I am doing a matching mani with this one. And on the mani, I'm going to do every pink moon. So it's a lighter pink. And I really like that combo. And I debated trying to find, I have another set of every pink moon, but I don't want to open a new one because I'm really trying to just not open new sets, just stick to the, you know what, oh, that kind of wrapped around. Oh, it did peel off. I'm really trying not to open new sets. Let's do, that's not quite deep enough. Okay, do this end right here since it's kind of more rounded. I can't remember what I was saying. I feel like I was still doing a thought. Oh yeah, I debated finding a lighter pink to go with it. So I have everything picked out to do my manicure, and I just have these two strips left. So like maybe I would have had enough if I did some slanty and like, because I love how the light pink is, and I debated back and forth, but I was like, I really want to finish up this set of Rose Rush, which I will. So that's always exciting. Let's see. And then we're just going to add some, this is Glitz and Glamour, right? Yes. This is from, I think, the first sub box, the like 20s, 1920s themed Roaring 20s. So still not going to finish it off, but we are making a dent. That is on the dry side. I can feel it's a little stiff, but I mean, it's been open for how many years ago did Color Play start? So there you have it. I like that pink better now that it's on here. I debated if it was too much with these because these are kind of like subdued, but I like it. It's fun. So there you go. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other foot, but that is today's pedicure. Thanks for tuning in with me. I'll catch you guys next time.